supposed to come downstairs. Where are you? There you are. There you are. Come on. Come on. It's Christmas. It's Christmas for bullies. Yeah. Come on. It's Christmas for bullies. Come. Okay, don't fall down the stairs. Don't put stuff on the stairs. No, it's not for you. Come on. No. You're so nosy. Come. Get out of my purse. Why does this take forever? There we go. Just open it, buddy. There we go. Open it. Yeah. I'm not going to take it. It's yours. There, look, you got treats. Do you want one? Oh, God. This could go bad. You want a cookie and I'll take that away from you to give you a cookie? You got your own cookie. You helped yourself. See? And the bag is all covered in slobber. Yeah, you're just not, there's a present in there. Okay, let's not eat tissue paper. Hey, come on. Your problem-solving skills aren't great. You know that, right? It's inside. Yeah, inside is the present. Inside, look, inside. There we go. Titan, they're not all your gifts. People have to wake up, okay? These are your gifts. Do you want that one? Does that scare you? There you go. You're getting the hang of it. There's gonna be freaking cookies everywhere. Oh, there, look. You got more cookies. Okay, watch my fingers. Oh, look. Do you want one? Yeah, okay. Lord. Okay, this is gonna take me. Uh-oh, it went under there. Okay. Oh, it's out the side. No. The rest of the presents are for peoples. Come here. Ty, come here. Shh. Oh my God. Okay. Come. You've got a couple more, but after that display. Do you know that present's yours? Wow. Christmas wears out a bully big time.